Hey everybody, I'm Ike, and today I'm starting off my series on my tiny house project. These are going to be quick videos. They're not vlog style. You're not going to see 10 minutes of my dog before I show you what's going on my tiny house, and it's going to be broken up sort of by system. So step by step, the different aspects of what I'm doing in building this tiny house. So just follow along through the series and you'll see what I end up with. I don't even know for sure what I'm going to end up with. So today, this video is on my trailer and just a few things about where I got my trailer and what's gonna look like. This is the trailer that I got. I did not have an agenda for this tiny house except that I wanted to build one. In other words, I didn't know whether I wanted it to be more of a camper or whether I wanted it to be a full-on livable tiny house or whether it's gonna be an office. My idea was to find a trailer and then kind of design from there and come up with something, because my intentions are to just sell it eventually. So I found this trailer on Marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace. It was kind of rusty but functional. So it is 6 foot wide between the wheel wells. The wheel wells make it about 8 foot wide. I'm going to take advantage of all of that space for the final tiny house. It is 10 feet long from the tail lights to right there where the hitch connects. So 6 by 10 plus the wheel wells. It was homemade. It doesn't have any brakes except for an emergency brake for if it happens to hop off of the ball hitch. And the reason I was attracted to this trailer was because it is double axle. So that's going to give me all kinds of strength for hauling it down the road. Each of the axles, they're rated for 3,500 pounds each. So this is more than enough. You can build a way bigger tiny house on that size axle. So that's why I was attracted to this trailer in the first place and why I picked it up. So yeah, just a Facebook Messenger find. I brushed it down a little bit with a wire brush, gave it a coat of primer and a couple coats of black spray paint. And spray paint ended up being the way to go. I thought about brush painting it, and I even started that way with the primer, but cost-wise and time-wise, it wasn't worth it. So a few cans of spray paint, and I'm good to go to start building on top of this guy. The trailer doesn't have electric brakes, but it is wired for lights. And I ended up just spray painting right over the lights because for one thing, I do not have the right connections with my pickup truck to connect to this trailer, and for another thing, my siding is just going to cover all of these lights. So I'm going to eventually just going to mount lights in the structure that I build on here and run a new wire. So all of this is just going to get cut off and removed. So there's my trailer. I'm still designing what's going to go on top of it. I'm leaning toward just making it into an office, but the design is still a work in progress. So follow along, subscribe, like this video, and stop by again, see what our next step is.